I felt that your way of teaching is precise and to the point, which is actually good. Yes, closing was the most important part of the course. I will be able to help other entrepreneurs and businesses also. So, yes, it's a good thing that I got into this program.
Hi everyone. Meet Kruthika. She's from Salem, Tamil Nadu. She's a digital nomad, and Kruthika actually got the client in just 2 days, starting the digital nomad journey. Kruthika, is that true?
Yes, Bipin, that is very much true. In just 3 days of my 30-day digital program, this client approached me for the services. Yes.
Great. So yeah, tell me more about this client. What are they into, and things.
So this client is basically from Bangalore. She's a makeup artist based in Bangalore, and she has 4 years of experience.
Okay.
Uh, but the reason she booked the call is she's not having enough clients and she wants more clients. And she's very eager to start with the services and get more clients. Yes, yeah. And
Nice.
her work is pretty good. Yeah.
Okay, great job. You have done, in just 2, 3 days, you just implemented and you just went for it. Great.
Yeah, I mean, your videos are actually very easy to follow and implement, so it wasn't very difficult to, yeah.
Okay, so now you have completed 30 days. Like how many clients are in pipeline? Like how many clients have you spoken to? Can you just throw me some lights on that?
Yes, I've been prospecting for a few days now. I've been sending mails and messages on Instagram. Because I'm most active on Instagram, I approach through Instagram. I've been sending mails to a couple of wedding photographers, maternity, baby photographers, baby shoots, and all that. Um, Nobody has replied back as of now. But then my brother-in-law, he approached me a few days back telling that he was looking for ads for his own company.
Mm.
So I wanted to approach him and ask if he'd be interested.
Nice. So like how are people knowing that you're into digital marketing? So first 3 days someone reached out to you, and then now your brother is reaching out. So how do people know that you have changed your profile or you're also into digital marketing?
Yes, I've changed my profile on LinkedIn and Facebook. I
Okay.
put up that tagline which you told us to put. Yes, so I'm getting a lot of friend requests on Facebook after seeing that uh, thing, that headline which you
Yeah.
asked for. And then the contacts that I'm getting is because I'm sending messages through WhatsApp to all the known contacts and then their referrals.
Mm.
So yeah, that's the first step, how I got my first client actually.
Okay, so
By
you
one
got a
of
first
the
client
contacts.
through WhatsApp and some known contact.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So
And the
now,
pages that I've been following on Instagram and Facebook, I've been messaging them also that I'm doing this service now.
great. So you learned all of this in week 2 prospecting.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's you have completed 30 days now. What's your overall experience?
Overall experience is really great. I would say it will definitely help my business also. And I will be able to help other entrepreneurs and businesses also. So yes, it's a good thing that I got into this program. I'm really grateful for you and for your team, Bhaskar especially, who actually motivated me to get into this program.
Awesome. So what all skills have you learned so far, if you can name them?
Yes, prospecting one for sure. And then I've learned how to create landing page, create ad creatives and all that, and a bit of copywriting.
Hmm.
Yeah. So far, yes. these are the skills that I've learned, but I'm not able to name all of them because I'm not.
Website,
Yeah, website. I need to still not very familiar with the thing.
but you know, you're about to build your website and
Yes. For my own business, I do want to build a website.
awesome. And what about sales and closing? Did you finish that?
Yes, I did finish sales and closing also. Yes, closing. Yes, closing was the most important part of the course.
Yeah.
I learned a lot in closing also.
Hmm.
How to speak to clients and how to handle rejections and their questions and all that. Yes, that is one important thing that was very important. Yes, that was very useful closing.
Perfect. So on a scale of 1 to 10, in the
Mhm.
shortest period of time, you have launched a business, you have started, getting clients. So how
Right.
do you want to rate for this entire movement, entire experience journey?
I would give it a 9.5.
Great, awesome. Uh, so what you had to say about the mentor, myself?
You are a good teacher, I would say, because your videos, your way of teaching is to the point, nothing that is wandering from the subject or something like that. And since your videos are precise, it is easy to follow and apply.
Mm.
That I really liked about your way of teaching. Yeah.
Perfect. And have you done any previous digital marketing courses, or are you completely new to digital marketing?
I'm completely new to digital marketing. I'm a creative person. I wasn't sure if getting into this digital field was a good choice for me. But after I got into the course, I thought, yeah, it's not so difficult.
So yeah, because you're not at all from the field,
Mhm.
still you could actually do and learn everything, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Because
so
of your way of teaching, that the easiest way I felt.
got it.
From the courses, the free courses that I have taken so far, I felt that your way of teaching is precise and to the point, which is actually good.
Yes. So it's, there is no beating around the bush, nothing. I'll just give you what you need to do, and then if you just do it, it's done actually.
Right, exactly.
Uh, Perfect. And if you want to share something about the community, what do you have to say?
Yes, everybody in the community are really friendly, very kind. Anytime, any question, any help, they're always there to answer you, reply you, support you. And that I really liked. It felt like I didn't feel like I'm getting into a new community. I felt like I already know them all. And yeah,
Nice.
they're all very
So did
friendly.
you approach the community, or did you get any help when you wanted? Like, did you?
Yes, I had a couple of queries in the beginning.
Mm.
So yes, people did reply to my queries, friends in the
It also helped you.
Yes, it helped me.
Okay, perfect. Uh, so what's your goal? Let's say you have now you're working with a client. You said you've started
Yeah.
with creatives and copies. Like what all have you done uh, for this client that you're working?
So this makeup artist from Bangalore, I've created a landing page for her.
Okay.
Then I've done the ad creatives, the ad set, the 3 ad set, which you mentioned in the ad module. Yes. And I will be starting with a free trial today or tomorrow.
Okay. And yeah, copy is done. Facebook ads, entire you setting up, all of
Yes.
that is done.
Yes. Everything is done.
It's like, yeah, in just 30 days, you've done a lot. You've got a client. We've also done this. If I really want to say, when I initially started to learn all this thing, it took me 1.5 years because I
Oh,
didn't have a proper mentor. It was very delayed. And to learn website for myself, I took 9 months. I didn't have a person who was teaching me website. I learned it from YouTube here and there. It took me 9 months. Compared to my journey, your journey is very fast. It's just
yes. Thanks to
you're on the
you.
fastest track.
Yes.
So
Thanks to
two
you.
years, 3 years down the line, like, you can actually cross me as well.
Okay. Hopefully.
When I tell this to everyone, because my journey was 2 years, like I didn't have nothing. So then I started picking up. But now you guys are learning everything in just the 30 days. Like your journey is faster.
Yeah, I mean, your program is really good, I should say.
Yeah. Uh, Perfect. So, uh, congratulations on doing this, completing your 30 days. Uh,
Thank you.
you are in the fast track. Only thing is like you have to start getting more clients and start hitting your goals.
Yeah, I will definitely.
See you all. I mean, see you in the weekly call. Okay.
Sure, Bipin.